Leetcode weekly context 477. Question number 1. Concatenate non-zero digits and multiply by sum. Number 1. It is an easy problem. We want to get the multiplication of x and the sum. First of all, we turn this number from integer to a string. And how do we get x? So we just go through this all the characters in this string, find out all the digits, and make a new string. Then turn it back into integer. And for sum, how do we get sum? We turn the digit to int first, then add them up. That's how we get the final result of x times sum.